Namaste, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Till now we have learned so many basics for the writing script, alva. From today we will be learning kagunitha, which is very basic. Till now we have learned arkavali words, we have learned vatakshara, we have learned the letters and all those things. Ivattinda, from today we will be starting with the kagunitha. Kagunitha also it is called as a gunita akshara. Remember both the words kagunitha or gunita akshara. So what is this kagunitha or gunita akshara? This is nothing but ka, ki, ku, ku, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Yes. A, we already know, right? From a to aha you already know. Remember the sound. So for this sound, if I add the ka, it will become ka to kaha. If I add ma, mi, mo, me, mo, ma. So this is how you have to try first. Try to recite, try to pronounce and repeat everything like a, e, u. Similarly, you will try for ka, ki, ku. For each and every letter, you can try this. From ka to la, you are gonna try like this. Repeat, pronounce, and recite it n number of times. Only then you can remember and your pronunciation will become much more better. Okay? So, Ivaga, from now, we already know this sounding. For all the sounding, from to what do we call? We call vowels. After that, we call as a consonant. And also, we have learned the half letter, hope you remember, like cut, in, egg. So, we have learned these things. Okay? So, remember all these things now. Now, if I combine with half letter of ka, then it will become complete ka for me. Similarly, if I add with half letter of ma, it will become complete letter ma. Okay? So I'm adding basically for these consonants, I'm adding the vowel. Okay? So I have to all add every vowel. I have to add all these things to get the sound and the design of that letter. Okay, now we will be learning the design for the letter which is So if I combine my half ka with what should I get? I should get ka, right? Ka. If I combine with r, ra, right? So that is what we are learning today. How do I write this? I know how to write ka. It can be written like this or written like this. But how should I write ka? So that is what we learn now. Remember this, I already told you this is called head or tale. So we'll make a little change in this one now. So instead of writing like this, I'll write like this. Okay? So I write like this. Remember this? Now, instead of writing ka like this, I write this. So this is my ka sounding. Got it? Okay. We'll do the quick changes now. Just give me a second. We'll type for all the other letters. Okay. I'm gonna erase this. Now, take out your book and let's try for different letters now. We have from ka to la. We can try for all the letters. Okay. So first, let me try for. So now I'm combining half letter ka with this will give me ka. Remember, this is the symbol that you are going to add. Instead of this, you will add this. Okay? So this is my ka. So the same thing, ga, kha, ja, cha. Remember for ja, you don't have that talent. So you will take it from here. Okay? And for ja is very special letter. Ja, ya, ma are special letter. These three are special letter. So I don't take it from the tale, instead I take it from this end. Okay? So remember, it will start with, take a color pencil, then it will be easy for you to remember. It will go with the end. If you have a two-line book, so how do you try this one? So this is my R. To write ra, it should end here. It should not go down like this. Okay? This will become very stylish letter. So I'm not trying to write any stylish letter. So let me stop here itself on the line. And it should not be too small. Writing like this is also wrong. It should come exactly to that line and stop it. The length of the letter. Bring it to the length of the letter. Okay? So now let's try few words. Which letter is this? Ba, bala. Bala is a tail. So now let's combine two words. Adara, adara, bala. It's tail. Clear? Okay. We'll go with next one. This is ja, ga. I'm sorry for the background noise. Play. Ja, ga. That place. Now you are able to do the two words together. You can put the two words together. We'll go with one more. Okay? Pada. Avara, their. Pada, feet, their feet. Na, mage, mavatu, namma. All remember this one. Bharata. Our India. Bharata is India. Kannadadalli for India we tell as a Bharata. Next one. Ma, sonne, ga. Mangana. Bala. Manga is monkey. So Mangana means monkeys. Tail. Bala is a tail. Okay? So I'll give you similar kind of words at the end of the video. Try to practice try to write it and try to write for akara for all the letters. I'll keep that also at the end of the video. So do not miss these two activities. Write it down, and if you have any doubt, please do write an email to me or comment ಮಾಡಿ. Okay now? See you in the next video. Until then, practice ಮಾಡಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ practice ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you so much. Namaste.
From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunitha, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.